Uh-oh, weekly test. Here we go. What alert is this? Out of nowhere. What? This is not KHP31 because if I go over here...
Look for the tender, New Hanover, and
this is KHP31. What? I might make a broken EAS compilation because I've been having a lot of broken EAS alerts. Whoa! I told you, this was playing music earlier. What just happened? What really just happened?
Showing your good side has its rewards, and when you become a plasma donor at Griffles...
What? Like, what in the world was that alert? I just turned off my radio, but I'm really curious. What was that alert? Like, KHP30, this isn't even Wednesday.
Additional details. At 9:30 a.m. Tuesday, the stage was 7.5 feet. Forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 8.0 feet early tomorrow afternoon. Advisory stage is 8.0 feet. Flood stage is 10.0 feet. The following messages.
See, that's KHP31! Alright, I'm probably going to make a broken EAS compilation.